Hello, everyone. Today, I'll show you how to fix USCIS case status not updating in 2026. Many applicants worry when their USCIS case status stays the same for weeks or months. And this is actually very common. First, double check your receipt number. Enter it correctly on the official USCIS case status online page. Even one wrong character can show no update. Next, refresh and try again later. USCIS systems update in batches, not in real time. Sometimes the status updates after several days without notice. Now check USCIS processing times. Visit the processing times page and select your form type and service center. If your case is still within normal time, no action is needed. After that, sign up for case alerts. Enable email or SMS notifications from USCIS. This ensures you don't miss updates, even if the website lags. Next, clear browser cache or try another browser. Technical issues can prevent new status from showing. Incognito mode often helps. If your case is outside normal processing time, contact USCIS. Submit an online inquiry or call the USCIS contact center. Keep your receipt number ready, then check your mail carefully. Sometimes USCIS sends notices by mail without updating online status. Don't rely only on the website. For urgent cases, consider an InfoPass appointment. This allows you to speak directly with a USCIS officer. It's helpful for delayed or critical cases. Finally, keep records of everything. Save screenshots, emails, and reference numbers. Documentation helps if follow-up is needed. So yeah, fixing USCIS case status not updating means checking receipt details, waiting for system updates, monitoring processing times, enabling alerts, contacting USCIS when delayed, and tracking all communication. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for listening, stay patient, and I'll see you in the next guide.